So this is the most common bird, the seagull. It gets up to 10 inches, large size. If you see it, it's white underneath with gray wings. The beak tends to be a couple inches long. It loves trash. This one, you can tell.
Look at the size of that seagull.
I'd say that range up about.
I'd say
10
that's about
inches.
48 pounds, give or take.
All right, this is the black beak seagull. It tends to get up to 30 inches, way too big. You can tell how it's darker skin. The bill tends to be much longer. It's really scared of humans.
Many seagulls are known to eat trash, such as this. Seagulls are found around landfills and garbage dumps, such as this high school.
Absolutely gross. Zoom in on that bad boy.
I am. It's very close up. You can see the size range of that bird.
Alright, this seagull is gray. It's not white. It's really weird, but this one tends to be about 9 inches, a little undersized. But it's not a big deal. It looks injured. See how it's not flying away when we're walking towards it? Let's see what this guy is doing. Oh, there he goes. Alright. You can tell by these seagulls here that they just fly away whenever you come near them. I wanna fly like a seagull to the sea. Fly like a seagull. Let my spirit carry me. I want to fly like a seagull till I'm free.